A very good morning to all. So today we are going to discuss about a new topic in the chapter the Earth and other planets. In the last class we have discussed about solar system, the sun, the 8 planets and their moons and other smaller objects form the solar system. So we have learnt about the 8 planets. So which are the 8 planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So in our solar system, the astronomers often divide the planets into 2 groups. You know which are they? They are inner planets and outer planets. So in this class, we are going to learn about the inner planets. The inner planets are planets that are closer to the sun, which are smaller in size, and they are all made up of rocks. And do you know which are the inner planets? So inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. So these are the inner planets. So let's discuss about them one by one. The first one, that is Mercury. So Mercury is the smallest and the closest planet to the sun. So it is the 8th largest planet. And as this planet is closer to the sun, it is very hot. And this planet, that is the Mercury, revolves around the sun faster than that of other planets. And this planet, that is the Mercury, is smaller than Earth. Then it takes 58.5 days to complete one rotation. So we have learnt about rotation, the movement of the Earth around its axis, that is rotation. What about revolution? It takes 88 days to complete one revolution. What about moon? It does not have any moons revolving around it. So that is about the first inner planet, Mercury. So Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the sun. This planet is very hot and it revolves around the sun very faster than other planets. So that is about Mercury. So which is the next planet? That is Venus. So Venus is the second planet from the sun and it is the 6th largest planet in our solar system. Then the Venus and the Earth looks almost the same in size. The Venus and our Earth, it looks almost the same in size. So we call it as Earth's twin. So we call it as Earth's twin. This planet, the Venus, it is called as the morning and evening star. You know why? Because this planet shines so brightly as it appears soon after the sunset and dawn. So this is called as the morning and evening star. Then it takes 243 days to complete one rotation and it takes 224.7 days to complete one revolution. Then what about moon? Like Mercury, it also have no moons revolving around it. Then during the day, the Venus gets hot and it could melt iron. So that is about the planet Venus. So it is the second planet from the sun. The Venus and the Earth, it looks almost same in size. So we call it as Earth's twin. Then it is also called as the evening and morning star because it shines so brightly as it appears soon after the sunset and dawn. So that is about the planet Venus. Then which is the next planet? The next planet is our Earth. So what is special about Earth? It is our home. It is a planet where we live. It is the only planet where the life exists. So it is the 5th largest planet in our solar system. This is also called the water planet. Do you know why Earth is called as the water planet? Because 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. And what about the remaining part? The remaining 1/4 is only covered with land. So Earth is called as the water planet. And it is the planet where we live. So it takes 1 day or 24 hours to complete one rotation. And it takes 1 year to complete one revolution around the sun. So that is about the 3rd planet, Earth. Coming to the 4th planet. So which is the 4th planet from the sun? That is Mars. So this is the 7th largest planet in our solar system. So if you closely observe this picture, you can see it is red in color. So this planet is known as the red planet because it appears reddish in color. When this planet is viewed from Earth, it looks red in color. And also, this planet has 2 permanent polar ice caps. And the scientists believe that these poles get covered with ice during winter. So that is about the planet Mars. So this planet takes 24 hours, that is 1 day, and 37 minutes to complete one rotation. And it takes 687 days to complete one revolution. What about moons? It has 2 moons revolving around it. What about Earth? It has only 1 moon revolving around it. So this is about the planet Mars. So what are inner planets? Inner planets are planets that are closer to the sun. And all these planets are made up of rocks. Then which are the inner planets we learnt? We learnt about Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These are inner planets. In this, Mercury and Venus do not have moons. Then Venus and Earth looks almost the same in size. So we call it as Earth's twin. Then what about Mars? It is known as the red planet because it appears red in color. Then Earth has 1 moon revolving around it. What about Mars? It has 2 moons revolving around it. Venus is also called as the morning and evening star. So this is about the inner planets. So in the coming class, we'll discuss about the outer planets. So till then, thank you.